Hello, friends and followers. Well, here's a microphone that I want to get to my brother. This is a identical one of the mic I just fixed for the Ten Tec. Anyway, I had attempted to convert this microphone to the Ten Tec, I don't know, 3 months ago, and I made this little board for it, and it never worked right. It had hum and everything, and so I came across a guy who's probably a CBer or somebody, I don't know, a two-way guy. He said, look, just put a 1K resistor in between the mic line and the power line. And I'm like, what? So that works like a bomb. So I was able to put a 10K resistor in, and that's right here. So I just shoved that resistor on the bottom there, 10K on the bottom, and wired up the color code. So red is mic key, blue is not used, so since blue isn't used, I just send up power, 9 volts from the Ten Tec to the blue wire, and I insert a resistor onto the microphone wire. The green wire is mic key or PTT, and the black wire is ground. So I wire that into the plug on the Ten Tec like this. You can see there's the green wire for PTT, there's a black wire ground, red wire mic. The 10K resistor I showed you is in the microphone, and the 9 volts is the blue wire going up to the mic. And it works like a champ. So I'm going to put this together and send it out to my brother. He has a Paragon 1, Ten Tec Paragon 1. And I kind of sent him a crappy mic with a radio. I mean, it works, but it's some cheapo mic I got in a trade or something a long time ago, and I didn't have a mic to give him, and got this one working, so I guess I'll send this mic to him and see how he likes it. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and have a great day. And yep, this thing's now wired for a Ten Tec Paragon 1, Paragon 2, Omni 5, Omni 6, auto worked like a champ. Here again is a view of the little 10K resistor on there. Just shoved on there like that, and I'll turn the mic around here so you can see a different view of it. There's a different view of that resistor. Here's a view of the wiring on it. The wires just go on the way they do, nothing different. And just send the power up to power the preamp in the mic through the blue wire. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.